For a lot of patients, it's confusing because they're accustomed to coming in to see their physician, getting full evaluations, examinations, everything in a physical, whereas this is actually a little bit different.
Yes, I work at Meritage Medical Network. You're due for your annual wellness visit.
We're going to review the current conditions and also all of your chronic conditions and naturally address any other concerns that you may have.
It's a free, no-cost exam where the nurse practitioner comes to your house to perform a wellness exam. It's focused specifically on preventative health care.
This is all a part of the annual wellness visit that Meritage is offering.
I'm so happy you came.
Everybody knows nothing comes without a price, but this actually does for them.
So you come to my house and it makes it a lot easier for me.
Absolutely.
Yeah, they're very pleasantly surprised.
The nurse practitioner will come, go through all your medications,
I see that you're taking ibuprofen.
check your vitals.
82, what do you
No,
get?
actually you're doing a little better than that. It was like 136.
And answer any health questions you may have.
Wonder if I should still get the flu shot.
I will go through the last set of lab results that you have.
They called me and let me know that you were coming.
We start discussing very generally with the patient, and we start reviewing their conditions and then the medications.
That gives me a chance to make sure that both your doctor and I have an updated list of all the medications that you're actually taking.
And then we go more and more into depth.
How have you been doing?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Do you want to tell me a little bit more about that?
Well, actually today I feel pretty good.
You
I
did?
really do, yeah.
There's a definite advantage to having a patient in their own environment. There are things that can be perceived by the practitioner, whether it be a nurse practitioner or otherwise. One, it's a different perspective for the patient and for me. But two, it does provide all the information that I will need to ensure that my patients are getting all the things that they should be getting at their age.
Your lipid profile, that's talking about your cholesterol levels.
And many times people would ask me, well, if I take this medicine at night, can I also take this other medicine at the same time?
You know, a lot of supplements can actually react with medications that you're taking as well.
Right.
I have an hour here to discuss this with you as opposed to your doctor's office, which is a lot more limited.
Right.
So, you know, things might come to mind when we're talking and you can let me know.
Okay, Beverly, hi, how you doing? Good to see you.
You probably have had this happen to you too, that you think about something and then you go out the door and you realize you never asked it. But by having this hour just dedicated to the patient, many times they remember to ask these questions, and sometimes it's actually when I'm almost out the door and they will call me back and I will try to address the issue and we'll discuss it.
I'm afraid to put anything else in my body at this point. So is that a question often asked? Or?
Yes, actually it is.
I've had a little bit of worries going on there for a while.
I think it provides a much more personable way of caring and reviewing not just our medical concerns, but the patients, and from their point of view, how they are perceiving that they're being cared for and how they are perceiving what they need or not need at times.
I don't get the tiredness anymore.
You don't?
I used to get, no. And I used to get early morning nausea too, and I don't get that.
One lady told me recently, she said that you've only been here for an hour and I feel like I've known you my whole life.
That's great support.
Many times when I leave somebody's home, they said, oh my goodness, I'm so glad you came because now I understand and now I feel much better about what's going on with me.
I'm glad you came out to do and give me some good news, because that's what I needed.
Absolutely.